Okay, so the other night Liz was on that absolute garbage site that is Facebook Marketplace and found something that I might be slightly interested in, and I had a look at it and I've realised that this and this alone will bring me true happiness. Yep, that's one fine looking Victa Rotomo. Why doesn't mine look like that? So yeah, I picked this bad boy up for $100 from Stockton off a 72-year-old man. That is a 1958. It's a Model 5 Series 1 Victa Rotomo. This is what we're going to do during winter. We're going to restore this bad boy. So you can see here why they were called the toe cutters. Not sure if that's because the guard's worn away a bit, but I'd say it's just because the blades are sticking out. But yeah, but it works all pretty with that. Yeah, she spins. And that bit sits on top. You wrap your cord around that and you pull it and hope that it works the first go, otherwise you have to do it over and over again. So, features include light touch handle for easy control and folder away ability, the 3.6 horsepower Victa engine with underbody muffler for quiet, smooth running, and the automatic height adjuster, which doesn't work. Luxury fuel tank mounted above engine for extra safety. Okay, so some other things to point out. This is not original. This fuel tap is not original. That wheel is not original. Compare it to the other 3 wheels. And apparently there was some sort of edging attachment that you could stick out here and it would cut the edges for you. I'm not sure how safe that was. Normally I'd probably have a crack at starting it, but I don't really have the top spinny bit properly attached, so it would be a bit dangerous. So we won't do that. Stay tuned for more videos on how we progress with this. Also, on a side note, I'd like to thank everyone who came to my birthday party the other week. It was really great to have everybody there. Hope you had a good time, because I did. We'll see you later.